Replacements of electric motors. The replication of electric motors that are no longer available today is one of the tailored drive solutions of Menzel Elektromotoren. Frequently, a certain electric motor is produced for a specific application. If this motor needs to be replaced, a practically identical motor is required. We can precisely replicate your electric motor so that the new motor is 100% suited to your plant. If you are looking for no more available three-phase asynchronous motors from manufacturers such as Siemens or ABB, we can replicate them at our modern and extensively equipped Berlin location. Our engineering department is ideally prepared for the task of replacing existing motors with new replicas. The replication of an electric motor by Menzel avoids high on-site conversion costs and long downtimes. In addition, there is no need to make changes to your production plants, which avoids the frequently significant consequences of such modifications. Naturally, our replicas comply with all valid standards and regulations. Power range for individual replicas of industrial motors. Menzel offers a range of possibilities for custom replicas of industrial motors in the low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, and direct current ranges. We can individually replace practically any electric motor with a replica. A precise analysis of the situation and of your actual requirements enable us to select the best and most cost-effective variant for you. Three-phase asynchronous squirrel cage motors from 75 kilowatts to 25,000 kilowatts. Three-phase asynchronous slip ring motors from 75 kilowatts to 15,000 kilowatts. Direct current motors from 20 kilowatts to 2,000 kilowatts. Various mountings. All protection classes and cooling methods. For grid and converter operation. Most squirrel cage and slip ring motors that leave our plant in Germany are special adaptation specimens, for example motors that are no longer being produced by large companies such as Siemens or ABB. Typically, these are motors that are electrically and mechanically identical to older models. Reproductions of existing drives are used throughout all industrial sectors. Menzel has already replaced numerous drive machines with an equivalent replica. This includes industrial motors for mills, fans, pumps, cranes, compressors, compactors, extruders, rolling mills, and all other types of industrial motor. Through the use of modern components when reproducing motors, we can significantly increase the efficiency of your plant. Just ask our engineers about increasing the efficiency of your industrial plants. Menzel can reproduce historic electric motors. This allows you to continue to use your old production plants without problems even if the drives currently installed are no longer produced or otherwise available today. We can make you an identical replacement. Today, industrial plants reach a significantly older age than was originally planned for. This is due to sophisticated designs, permanent operating data monitoring, and extensive servicing measures. However, individual parts of an otherwise still fully functional industrial plant repeatedly need to be replaced. In the case of an electric motor outside the IEC standard range, you then require a manufacturer who can identically reproduce the electric motors of the most varied of model ranges and brands. Menzel specializes in the reproduction of historic drives, regardless of whether these are three-phase asynchronous motors or direct current motors. Due to our many years of market experience and extensive archives, we are able to reproduce older machines of all brands.